Okay. Now, this. See here. Again, I'm telling you, those who have joined recently, the name always written in this way. Secondary prefix, then primary prefix, then word root, then primary suffix, then secondary suffix. Secondary prefix is for substitution. This is for if the compound is cyclic, then we write cyclo. Here, the main name will come from the number of the carbon atom you have. Here, you will have the nature of the compound. If the compound is having no double or triple bond, nowhere is double or triple bond there in this carbon chain. We'll write AN. If double bond is there, we write EN. If triple bond is there, then we write YN. And here we will write the function. See here. This compound does what is then after that we have to find the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. So from longest chain only we get the word root. How many are there? 3. So we'll write here now. For 1 carbon, we have taken from the classical name METH, 2 carbon, TTH, 3 carbon, prop, and 4 carbon, bu. If it is 5 carbon onwards, we write the on Roman multiples. So 5 carbon is pent. Okay. Similarly, 10 carbon, deck, like this. All right. So now here we have 3 carbon, we write prop. It does not have any substitution. So nothing is here. It's not cyclic. So it is nothing. It's not cyclic. Does not have any carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond. In. Now, where is the functional group? Number of carbons should be done from that side from functional group is nearest. So it is here. So 1, 2, 3. So we'll write now here 1 Me. Now the rule says if the secondary suffix starts with vowel or Y, then this E has to be dropped. So the name is propan 1 Me. Okay. So now please write the name of this compound. Please write it. Let us write in abbreviation. SP, PP, WR, PS, SS. So in this compound, see how many carbons are there in the main chain? 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let us assume that this is our main chain. How many are there? 4. So I'll write now here. Bute. See, this is outside the main chain. So this is called substitution. Okay. So this is CH3 is called methyl. Now from which side you will number? From left hand side, substitution is nearest 1, 2. And from right hand side, functional group is nearest. So preference is always given to the functional group, irrespective whether it is having substitution or double bond or triple bond. Nothing is applied, only on the functional group. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here in this case, the name will be 3-methyl. Okay, not cyclic. Now, does not contain any double bond or triple bond. Now, functional group. Second, which position it has on second carbon? So it is 2-M. So A is a vowel, this is doctor. So the name is 2-methyl butane 2-M. Mind it, you cannot give any gap here because it is single name. This is one word. Moment you finish, you tell me. Don't keep quiet. The main chain contains 2 carbon, 1, 2. So it is ETH. No double bond, triple bond. I mean, you have same functional group in 2 places. 2 are there. So where it is 1 and 2. So right now here 1, 2. Name of the functional group is Ame. How many are there? 2. For 2 I have to write di. Then here Ame. Okay. Now see here. The first letter of the secondary suffix is not a vowel. So we are not going to remove this E. So the name is ethane 1, 2 diene. Please write the name of this. What happened? All of you are keeping quiet. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So, finished? See, if I do everything, then what you will learn? So, main chain you find, how many are there? How many carbons are there in main chain?
6.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, it will be hex. Now, from which side you should go for numbering? Left or right?
From right.
Right.
Why right? Why not left?
Presence of functional group.
Functional group.
So we'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the substitution. So we'll write here now 5 methyl. Okay. Then here you have a double bond. From which carbon it starts? 4th carbon. So it will be 4 ENE. Then 2 AMINE. This is a vowel. This will be dropped. So write down. Write the name of this.
6-methyl cyclohex 2N 1-amine.
Very good, girl. Good. Okay. Now, see here. Suppose you have taken a compound like this. See here. Your main chain is this one. This is the functional group. And you have methyl here. So you have a substitution on nitrogen, but not on the main chain. So in this case, how to write the name? Because on main chain only we write the position of the carbon. 2, 3 like this. So if the substitution is on the if the substitution is on the nitrogen, how to write? You're gonna write the position here. So in this case, we will write like this. N-methyl. N stands for nitrogen. This is only applicable for amine. N-methyl. 3 carbon. Prop ANE. It is on the first carbon. So we'll write like this. So name is N-methyl propan 1. Please don't forget this one. Amine. Now, similarly, if you have taken so in such case, what we will do? Which is the longest chain? This is the longest chain. This is the main chain. See here. Here, both the hydrogen of the amine are being substituted. Substituted by ethyl and methyl group. So in this case, what we will do? So name will be, we have to write alphabetically. We'll write here now. N-ethyl N-methyl one, two, three, four. Number will be like this. So it will be but N plus 2 amine. This is a vowel, this will be true. So write down the name. Okay. Now, suppose I have taken this. Just try. Otherwise, I'll help you. I'll give you 2-3 minutes to try. So what will be the name? See here on the same nitrogen, you have 2 methyl. So name is NN dimethyl. Then 1, 2, 3. Prop ANE 1,3 diamine. So this is not a vowel, this will be there. So write down the name. Finish? Okay. Next one is this. This. See here. Here I cannot write NN dimethyl because if I write NN dimethyl, it means same nitrogen. But here you are having the nitrogen on, methyl group on different nitrogen. So just to make the difference, what you will write NN tri. That is, it means 2 methyl groups are there, but they are not on the same nitrogen, they are on different nitrogen. The name will be NN prime dimethyl. This one, please remember. Okay. Such detailed things are not given in your book, but in entrance exam it will be there. Please write the name. After that, we will move to the next function. Shagni. Hello.
Cyclohex 1 and 1 amine.
NN dimethyl cyclohex 1.
1
1N, 1.
amine.
Correct. This is a good girl. If you follow this rule, no matter how difficult the compound is, you will be able to name it. Then we'll go for aldehyde. See, what is the functional group? Its structure is this. But you'll find in your book it will be written as CHO. What is the IUPAC name? AL. Only the first two alphabets are being taken. Okay, so let us start with this example. HCH. Okay. See, it is popularly known by its common name. We call it formaldehyde. Okay. See here. This contains only one carbon. We'll write here now METH. One carbon means there cannot be any question of double bond or triple. Double bond and triple bond requires minimum 2 carbon because there should be a bond between 2 carbon. Only one carbon is there. So here it is primary suffix is N. Okay. Here again the position is not required because only one carbon is there. Suppose you are the only child of your parents. So will you say that I am the eldest daughter? So in that case, we will not put any name here, number here. What is the name of the functional group? AL. See here. This is a vowel. So this. So the name of the compound is methanol. Okay. Now see one very interesting thing. Interesting thing is aldehyde is such a functional group. See, this side nothing is there, no carbon is there. So it will always be the first carbon. Because as per IUPAC name, you always have to number from that side from where the functional group is nearest. So it is always the first carbon. So in that case, either you can put that number of the carbon as 1 or you need not write it. Say I have taken this 1, 2, 3. So in this case, the word root is Bu. Does not have any carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond, so you write N. Okay. Now, if you wish, 2, 3, 4, you can write 1AL, or you can simply write AL because this is only the first carbon. So in that case, the name, it depends upon you. So if you follow strictly the rule, then you'll write 1Al. Or you can simply write butanal, because after this, as because you have hydrogen, you cannot have any other carbon. So this is always the first carbon. So you can write butan 1L, or you can simply write butanal. Understood? Okay. Now, suppose I have taken, see, in your exam, they may not give you the structure like this. They may give like this. Okay? They may give like this. All right? Or they may not, sorry, they may write like this. No, they will not write anything here. Nothing will be there. Then don't fall from the sky, because this is the bond line structure. In bond line structure, what you are supposed to do? Everywhere you will put carbon. C, 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 C. Then what? How to find out the number of hydrogen? Number of hydrogen, what you do? We subtract the bond. You subtract the bond, this is the number of hydrogen. See here. So it is, how many bonds are here? 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So you will have hydrogen there. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 3, this. This is you by writing the structure like this. Understood? So what will be the name? Main carbon has 1, 1, 2, 5. So it is pent. Okay. Now does not have any carbon-carbon double bond. So it is AN. How many aldehydes are 2? On which carbon you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write here as 1, 5. Name of the functional group is Al. How many are there? 2. So it is DIAL. See, it is not a vowel, so this will not be removed. So the name is pentane 1, 5. And if you don't understand, don't keep quiet, huh? Because it is not a meditation class. Now I'll write like this. Now you have become expert. Write the name of this. As Miss Gitanjali Pal is there.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा किसी बुझ रुझ रहे नहीं
मैं बुच्ची से.
अच्छा and Miss Rani is there. Miss Rani D Rani no hello D Rani is there hello
Yes, sir.
oh अच्छा sorry I to ask you as D Miss sorry hey what is his full name I'm not able to pronounce it D stands for what
Dasanbha, sir.
huh
Dasanbha.
Dasanbha means what the meaning of Dasanbha very good or what Acha, very nice. Please write the name of this. Not a particular one of the topic. So, see now, what will you do here? C, 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 C. So, what is there? I told you, only one bond is there. 4 minus 3 is, sorry, 4 minus is 3. So it is CH3. 4 minus 1, 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So no hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So what will you have now here? Hydrogen. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. So it will be CH3. 4 minus 3, 1. So this is your molecule. So write down the name. আমি বুড়া হয়ে গেলে সকালে ঘুম থেকে সান্তরিয়া ক্লাস নিলাম দরজা বন্ধ Two, 3, 4, 5. Now change it depends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whether you will go here or you will go up. Okay. Suppose you go down. So this is the substitution and this is the substitution. So Miss Mallika, hello. Mallika is there. Yubika, then Yubika is there. I cannot hear you. Then Enam Karu. Hello. Enam Karu is there. I don't know what you do. So what will be the name? It will be, first you write the name of the substitution. How many are there? 2. So it will be 2, 5. 2, 5. Dimethyl. Then this is nothing is there. It's not cyclic. Then it is this. So in this case, see how many are there? 6. Now you have a double bond. From which carbon double bond starts? 4th carbon. 4 ENE. Then your here you can put Al, 1 Al, or you need not put. Okay, let us write 4. Put 1 A. This. So add it and hide it. Hello. Okay, now we are going to do a very important naming for your entrance exam. Though it has become very popular in entrance exam, still you should know. For us, it is new. Suppose I have taken this. See, this one. Before this, let me write this. This you have already written. See, this name we have already written. What did you write here? We have written pentane 1,5 diol. Okay? But the problem is that now you have this functional group in the middle also. So, in that case, earlier it is being considered as a substitution. Then what was the name initially it was written? It was written like this. See, when aldehyde you consider as a substitution, then we call it as formyl. So it was called as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what earlier it was being called 3 formyl pentane 1,5 diol. So till 2004 it was being called like this. But later on it was found that the name is little erratic. Why? The same group you consider as a functional group and you consider it as a substitution. So this will not be correct. So this name was dropped. Then you consider that all three are outside the main chain. Okay? All three. Why should we some partial to someone? We consider them as all three of them are outside the main chain. So the main chain contains how many carbon? Now main chain has 3 carbon atoms. See, when aldehyde is a part of the chain, we call as Al. And when it is outside the main chain, right here, when CHO is outside the main chain, we do not call it Al. Okay? We do not call them as Al. But name them as carboxylaldehyde or carbaldehyde. See, almost all of us, we are having 2-3 names, is it not? One name which you use it outside. This is ours, we write it in our school and anywhere we apply, or suppose the people from outside will call us by our formal name. But at home you will find your mother calls you by one name, father calls you by one name, is it not? Huh? Your sister, brother calls you another name. But with this name we do not use it outside. This is the nickname is not our formal name. So in that case, we are going to call it as a carboxylaldehyde and carbaldehyde. Then what will be the name of this one? See here. 1, 2, 3. So the name will be this one, you remember for your entrance exam. So the name will be, see, 1, 2, 3. So it's propane. Propane. Here we will write 1, 2, 3. Carbaldehyde. This is not a vowel, so this will not be dropped. Okay? So the name is, please remember, is called propane 1, 2, 3 carbaldehyde. Or you have a liberty. You can say propane 1, 2, 3 carboxylaldehyde. Don't forget. Done.
Yes.
Hmm? I'll try to see how far you could understand. Okay, say, I have taken this. So what will be the name of this? Write the name of this molecule. So have you written?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So it's cyclopentacarbaldehyde.
Cyclo?
Penta.
बोले कौन पर why cyclopenta? C is not a vowel. So what was the name? See here. Your name is correct, but only name is correct means what you made a mistake the vowel. See here. One thing which I forgot to tell you. I'm very sorry for this. See here. Let me start with our initial alcohol. See this one. So here it is no substitution. Then this is SP. This is cyclo. This is hex. Don't write any and see. When I write it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I write the name of this one, in that case, I put number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we write here? We write the name as hexane 1, 6 carbon hex, no carbon double bond, ANE, and this is first carbon, we have OH group, so we write all. But in this case, see here, in a cyclic molecule, do you know which is the first carbon?
No.
Huh? In cyclic
No.
carbon, we find out the first carbon. So in a cyclic molecule, we will never write the position. If only one is there, we will not write the position. So we write here. The name of the compound is cyclohexanol. But suppose another substitution is there, then only you number it 1 and 2. Why do you number it? Because you have to find the distance between them. So this one I'm extremely sorry. I forgot to tell you. So now You told me this is cyclo penta. Actually, you forgot to put the number. Time by mistake also, whenever you write something, our name become correct. So here, see, if you go by the normal name, what would I have written? Cyclopenta. I'm say I do not know how to write the name. So I write here cyclopentanal. If I write cyclopentanal, then the number of carbon should 4, 5 plus 1, 6. So if I write cyclohexane, then my ring should contain 6. So this is also. So in that case, why they are wrong? Because here, see, if I have written like this, 1, 2, see here. In this case, the aldehyde is in the main chain, but it is outside the main chain. See here, it's outside the ring. So in that case, whatever you written is correct. We write here now cyclopentane carbox aldehyde. Write it here. Cyclo carbox aldehyde, or you have a liver to write. Then I'll, okay. So cyclo, see here, C is not a verb, so I shall not remove E. Or I write here cyclopentane carbaldehyde. All right. Okay. Write the name of this. Okay, I'll make it like this. Okay, now you are going to write the name of another compound. Write this one also. You have written the name. Okay, right. Hmm? See, this is not a vowel. So add and write. See, it is in the main chain. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is then then you have triple bond here, 2YNE, and here is the main chain. So in that case, you have to write 1. So write down them.
No, from other team also, if you give the pass, actually they can share. Or else you can ask Anand also. Okay.
Huh?
Ketone. Okay. Ketone, how does it look like? See here, both sides will have carbon. What is the IUPAC name? ONE. So let us first write down the name of this. So here, see here, no substitution, word root is pro. Then ANE, then ONE. Where you have 2. So the name will be, say this is a vowel, this will be dot. Propan to on. Or generally what you do, we write here now propanone. Why do you write propanone? Because the carbon oxide double bond has to be in the middle. So if I put it here, then it becomes aldehyde. If I put it here, it becomes aldehyde. See here. If I write this is isomer, then it becomes an aldehyde, functional isomer. So generally for that we don't write propan to on, we write propanone. No problem. Anyway, please write this. You know how many are there? 2 are there. So before ONE, I have to put one die. Right. No carbon double bond or triple bond. ANE. Where do you have the ketonic group? Second and fourth position. 2, 4. Die. It is not a vowel, so it will be there. So the name is pentane 2, 4 die. Okay.
So we have to take methyl also, no, sir?
Huh?
Methyl.
No, these are on the main chain. 1, 2, 3. These are not substitution. See here. Chain starts from here, ends here.
Okay.
Write this. Okay. I'll do little change here. I told you this is called phenyl. So you have to consider them it as a substitution. So this is what like this. You have to get yourself acquainted with this type of structure. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing is there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 8. 1, 2, 3. Nothing is there. 1. So this is this. Who will tell me the name? Hmm? Who is going to tell? Acha, okay, Gitanjali, tell me the name.
Sir, will it be 5 carbon or do we count phenyl also?
No, no, no. I already told you. This is a substitution.
Okay, sir. Sir, 4 methyl pent 3 in 2 on phenyl.
Again check, Gitanjali. Again check. Tell me the name.
4 methyl.
See, all substitution will be here. Okay, so if this is the substitution and this is the substitution, they must of them, both of them must be here. And substitution you have to write in alphabetical order, not in numerical order. So it will be what? M, N, O, P. Na? So M will come first. So 4 methyl, 1 phenyl. Okay. Then it's not cyclic. What root? How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. But primary suffix, it has a double bond. It starts from which carbon? Second carbon. 2 in. Then on which carbon you have carbonyl group? Sorry, ketonic group on first carbon. So this is a vowel. This will be dropped. So the name is 4 methyl 1 phenyl butan 2N1O.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
It should be 3 methyl.
This girl is very good. What is your name? Huh? Hello. Oh, name also you forgot. Achha, Mehak is there. Mehak. Hello. N1O. Okay. Now. What will be the name of this molecule? Hmm? What is the name? Yes, yes. Tell.
Cyclohexanone.
Correct. Because we will not put any number here. Good, good. Because, see, why I'm saying? Because these all carbons are same. If I write this, these two are same molecule. Because you do not know on which carbon it is. Huh? Cyclic compound, you can't say which is the first carbon. So the name will be cyclohexane. So the name of the compound is cyclohexanone. I'm very good. People are very expert now. Please write the name of this molecule. গীতাঞ্জলি ঠিক করে লিখবে। Okay. So when you number, it will be 1. You can write number from here also, no problem. 3, 4, 5, 6. Acha. Nazia, have you done it? Huh? Gitanjali? Hello.
Yes, sir.
কি নাম কি?
Sir, can we write di-in or just in?
No, if there are two, then you have to write die. It is not an option.
Hex 2,5 di-in
Wait. Is it open chain or closed chain?
cyclohex.
It is the cyclo,
Hex
then
2,5 in di-in
5,
di-in
then
1,4
1,4
dione.
dione. See, it is said that if you have more than one double bond, then you have to write here A, that those portion you are not there. If any compound contains more than one double bond, then you have to write A after this word group.
Okay, sir.
Please remember, huh? If it is double bond or triple bond, if you have more than one, then you have to add one extra A after word. So the name of the compound is cyclohexa 2,5 diene 1,4 dione. D is a vowel, so this should not be removed. Okay. So now you are having holiday, so we will not. So now we'll go for Carboxylic acid. Or what is the formula? This is one. How does it looks like? Structure. Structure is this. What is the IUPAC name? We write here oic. Then there will be a gap. Oic acid. Okay? Oic acid. Or if you can't remember, you can say OIC. So say you have gone for, see here, SP, PP, WR, PS, SS. Only one carbon. So what will be this? NaCH. Okay? No double bond or triple bond, carbon, carbon. Don't consider this. This comes in the functional group. Then one carbon, no question of numbering. Oic acid. This is a vowel. This will be dropped. So the name is methanoic acid. And what is his common name? Common name is formic acid. Okay. This word formic has come from the Latin word called formosa. Formosa means ant. See, whenever ant bites you, honeybee stings you, you find immediately a burning sensation is there, and after that it swells. You know what? They inject formic acid in your body. So this is their defense organ. From there, the word formic acid has come. All right. So now, please write the name of this one. Please remember, just like aldehyde, this is also the first carbon. See, here you do not have any carbon chain. So carboxylic acid is either the first carbon or the last carbon. So here, if you wish, you can put number, or if you put, you need not put number. Okay. Now see here, how many carbon are there? 4. So we'll write now here BU. Now what is this? It is ANE. Now you can, if you wish, you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can write either 1 oic acid, or simply you can write oic acid. So the name of the compound can be so it will be butan, oic, then gap acid. Or you can simply write, both are correct, butanic acid. Okay. Now you will write this one. Write the name of this. I told you, no, moment you finish, you should tell me. Okay, now see, you have a similar situation here. See, this is the functional group. Earlier it has been considered as a substitution. So now we do not consider it. So just like that, we have number 8 in case of aldehyde. So we will consider the main molecule is this, and they are all outside the main chain. So the name of the compound will be, whenever outside the main chain, we do not call it weak acid, we call carboxylic acid. So here it will be prop ANEC. First, second, and third carbon you have carboxylic group. So you can call it 1, 2, 3 tri carboxylic acid is the gap. So the name of the compound is propane 1, 2, 3 tri carboxylic. When is applicable? When you consider it is outside the main chain. Okay? Ash. See, this is not a vowel, so this will be there. All right. Now, write the name of this. Write the name of this. Finish. So, what is the name of the first compound? Tell, don't keep quiet.
Sir, cyclohexanoid.
Cyclohexyl carboxylic acid.
Yes, correct. You cannot call it cyclohexanoic acid because it's outside the main chain. Good. So it is cyclohexane. Here we will not put the number because it's a cyclic compound. So it is carboxylic acid. So the name is cyclohexane. From here to here is one word, no break. And it will be this. But in this case, see, it is a part of the main chain. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, what we are going to write here? Cyclo. Okay, I'll write on the top. X A-N-E, weak acid. So the name of the this is hexanoic acid. Please see. Remember, this is a part of the main chain, but this is outside the main chain. Okay. Now, what is the name of this molecule? This is a common name. Name is oxalic acid. This is found in many vegetables that you take. And second one, what is the name of this? So in the first molecule, we have two carbon. So it is ETH. No carbon-carbon double or triple bond. N. How many of them are there? Two. On which carbon? First and second. They're in the main chain. So the name of the compound is ethane, sorry, D, but this is not a vowel. Ethane 1,2 dioic acid. In the second molecule, you have substitution. 1, 2, 3 chlorine are there on the second carbon. So you have to write like this: 2, 2, 2. As many substitutions are there, that number you have to put that many times. So it is trichloro. This is not cyclic. 2 carbon are there. ETH. N plus weak acid. The name is 2, 2, 2 trichloro ethane. Wait, E is not here. See here. Okay. Now you are going to name this compound. For phenyl, I can put your circle also. Okay, it's common name. Some of the common name we should know. This is a part of your food also. Cinnamic acid. Okay, that you get in what? This spice is used, na? We call garam masala you get in dalchini. These are source. I don't know the English name of dalchini. Write down the IPC name.
Yes.
What is the name of this?
Free phenyl prop 2 EN1OIC.
Yes, good. Then see you on Wednesday, 8 o'clock.
Thank you.
Welcome.